Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to our program Shia Studies. We told that Shia knowledge divided to three parts: beliefs, moral issues, and Islamic laws. And today we start with beliefs, and the main and important point in Shia belief is existence of God and the proof regarding to these main and important issue, existence of God. Maybe you hear many questions about this point. Is there any proofs for the existence of God or not? Yes, there are many proofs, and inshallah we talk about those proofs. The first proof and reason for existence of God is its name is nature or fitra, dalilul fitra. Dalilul fitra, or the proof of nature. What does it mean? You know, each person, every person in his or her heart has a special feeling about the God, about the Creator, about the religion. This is the proof of nature. Very easy. All of you and all of us, we have this experience about the proof of nature or fitra. We have this special feeling toward the powerful being, particularly in our difficulty. We're looking for someone to rely on. He is, and this is God. Imam al-Sadiq, the sixth Imam, an infallible leader of the Shia, says, someone asked him, who is God? What is the reason for God? He said, maybe you have this experience. Suppose you are on ship in very difficult and dangerous situation on the sea, a stormy sea, difficult and dangerous situation. In this situation and circumstances, you look for someone to help you, to support you, to save you from that bad situation. This is God. This is inner feeling about God. Dalilul fitra, the proof of nature. All of you have these and such experiences. In difficult situation, we look for someone to rely on. This is Dalilul fitra. There are some words here from the great scientists I bring for you. I read, and you realize that those scientists mention the Dalilul fitra, or the proof of nature. The first one, Albert Einstein. Maybe you heard his name. He's a very famous scientist. He said, within every individual, there exists innate faith and religion. This is the word for Albert Einstein, and it's mentioned the reason of fitra, or nature. The second word about the Pascal. He said, the heart has its reason. The heart has its reason, that our intellect knows nothing about those reasons. This is the word of Pascal. William James said, the origin of the religious life is in heart. The origin of the religious life is in heart. And Max Muller quoted this point. Our ancestor had prostrated, had worshipped before God while they didn't know even the name of God. They worship God, our ancestor, while they didn't know even the name of God. These are some words, and there are many, many words about this point. Dalilul Fitrah, or the proof of nature in our heart. We have a special feeling toward the Creator, toward the powerful being, and it shows us God exists. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.